Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Ford Escape. Stock number is A7919. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top, you have a panoramic sunroof and a cargo rack. Swinging around to the back end, rear backup sensors and a camera, and this Escape is four-wheel drive. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touch screen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Escape on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.